Someone shook the crypto world today. The price of Bitcoin has dropped significantly. Even in the midst of mayhem, a miracle may happen. Thanks to his vision, Shytoshi calms everyone down. Is a sea change on the horizon for Shiba Inu? Okay, I'll try to clarify. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. A horrible incident occurred just now. A huge drop in Bitcoin's price yesterday impacted the whole cryptocurrency market. The rationale behind it? You may already be aware that the United States government moved an astounding $2 billion worth of Bitcoin. The abrupt change sent shockwaves across the market, causing the value of Bitcoin to plummet. But what caused this to occur? The U.S. government's seizure of coinage is the starting point. Silk Road, the notorious dark web bazaar, was the confiscation site for these currencies. The FBI took seized Silk Road's massive Bitcoin assets after shutting it down in 2013. The crypto community is going into a frenzy since these currencies are now being transferred. A state of fear ensued as word of the Bitcoin transfer spread. Following the recent incident involving the German government, many are now concerned that this may be an indication of future accidents. Traders are worried that more developments like these might further upset Bitcoin's price, similar to how the German move shook up the market. Everyone is worried about what may happen next because of the uncertainty. What gives Shiba Inu a connection to this mayhem, though? As it happens, individuals have been digging further because of this news, and the results are unexpected. Some Shiba Inu are also in the possession of the United States government, according to recent studies. Arkham Intelligence claims that there are about 55 billion Shiba Inu tokens in government possession. Not only that, but only Shiba Inu stands out with a quantity in the billions, out of more than 100 digital assets mentioned in the U.S. government's holdings. With this new information, the already turbulent market becomes even more intriguing. Looking at what occurred lately with the German government may provide us a hint, even if the U.S. government hasn't said anything about selling its assets. Price drops below $63,000 occurred during peak sales as a result of the German government's large-scale purchases of Bitcoin. The market's reaction to these large holders' actions is dramatic. Nevertheless, a lot has transpired since then. Bitcoin's value has recovered, increasing by almost 12% over the last 2 days. Although there was concern that big investors would cut down on their spending, the price of Shiba Inu has been rather steady. According to recent statistics, the number of big deals using Shiba Inu has plummeted, dropping below the $500 billion mark. The market is worried about this drop, but Shiba Inu isn't letting it affect them just yet. Still, the United States doesn't have much when you consider the current Shiba Inu pricing. The U.S. government's decision to sell all of its cryptocurrency may not have a significant effect on Shiba Inu. Sales pressure on Shiba Inus wouldn't amount to much since the U.S. only has roughly $900,000 in the bank, but we can't deny that Bitcoin would still feel the effects of such a change. Keep in mind that this is Bitcoin valued at $2 billion USD. Any significant changes usually elicit a robust reaction from the market. Therefore, Bitcoin may still take a hit, even if Shiba Inu remains stable. Amidst all this uncertainty, however, Shiba Inu fans may look forward to some exciting news. Today marks a significant milestone for the project as the team has just released Shiba Eternity on Web 3.0 and is providing beta testing access exclusively. The head of marketing for Shiba Inu, Lucy, has revealed some new information on the game. According to her, this week marks the beginning of closed beta testing for Shiba Eternity on the Web3. This launch is expected to revolutionize the collecting card game genre on Shiba Inu's Layer 2 blockchain, Shibarium, according to remarks made by Angel, chief developer of Shiba Games. Furthermore, the official X handle of Shiba Eternity has just returned to activity after an absence of 1 year, and it has already dropped hints about the release of the Web3 edition. It stressed that the game is moving into Web3 territory and may include decentralized elements. Staking leash tokens was even promoted by the X handle as a means to enter the game. This limited beta is only a preparatory stage for the full release of Shiba Eternity on the Web3 platform. After a successful closed beta, the Shiba Games team will open up testing to the public. Then, on the Shibarium mainnet, the formal release of Shiba Eternity Web3 will occur, bringing exciting days ahead for Shiba Inu enthusiasts. Would you believe it? We've been waiting for this very time. 9 alternative cryptocurrencies, including Shiba Inu, are reportedly on the verge of a huge spike that may increase their value by a factor of 100, according to analysts. The recent approval of Ethereum ETFs is a boon for these 10 cryptocurrencies, according to Eva Monero. Shiba Inu is one among them. To set the scene, last week, after SEC approval of their S1 applications, the Ethereum ETFs began trading. Trading activity for these funds exceeded $1 billion on the very first day. Since Ethereum has such a large impact on the market as a whole, a spike in the price of ETH can cause the value of other cryptocurrencies, like Shiba Inu, to climb as well. For Shiba Inu owners, this may mean a whole new ballgame. The Shiba Inu is now worth 4 zeros on the market, so its price would go up to 3 zeros if it had a tenfold spike. Actually, Shiba Inu may eliminate 2 zeros from its existing price if it had a tremendous 100-fold gain from its current level. These projections demonstrate a great deal of faith in Shiba Inu's abilities, but keep in mind that there is no assurance it will accomplish all of these goals by the due dates. As of right now, however, Shiba Inu is down little more than 2% yesterday. Nevertheless, this little setback does not detract from the lofty objective of attaining a 100x rise in the price of Shiba Inu, which is in perfect harmony with a recent declaration made by Shytoshi Kusama. A market value of $1 trillion was one of his stated goals. The squad is so sure that Shiba Inu can revolutionize the dog industry that they've set this audacious target. The thought of a 100x increase seems more realistic than ever before as enthusiasm grows for Shiba Inu and its potential. To cash in big if the Shiba Inu currency hits Kusama's predicted market value, investors may have to hold a small to large quantity of tokens. A relief rally is now taking place throughout the market, which is good news for Shiba Inu and other important assets. The Shiba Inu cryptocurrency is now the 14th biggest on the market. Among the most successful cryptocurrencies ever, Shiba Inu has amassed a market valuation of $8.8 billion. This indicates that Shiba Inu has shown outstanding growth since its introduction, drawing a strong following and garnering substantial interest from investors, despite the inevitable ups and downs. The history of the currency is indicative of the enthusiasm for and hope for its future. Leading Shiba Inu developer Shytoshi Kusama recently expressed optimism about the token's future in an interview. Despite its remarkable success, he said, Shiba Inu is still in its infancy, like a puppy with the makings of a major participant in the cryptocurrency market. Kusama underlined the lofty trajectory the project intends to follow by saying that the Shiba Inu ecosystem team's primary objective is to turn Shiba Inu into the world's first trillion-dollar decentralized company. Shiba Inu's potential to become the second biggest cryptocurrency after Bitcoin would be solidified if its market worth reached $1 trillion. This prospect is intriguing in and of itself. Investors that are interested in knowing the minimum number of Shiba Inu tokens needed to achieve certain profit targets, such as $1 million, $5 billion, or $10 billion. Also, there are some intriguing figures. To make $1 million at today's pricing, investors would have to hold about 589 million Shiba Inu tokens, which would cost roughly $10 million if the market value of Shiba Inu were to reach $1 trillion. Not financial advice, but to make $5 million, an investor would need almost 3 billion tokens, which is over $53,000. To make $10 million, approximately 6 billion Shiba Inu tokens, which is more than $100,000, would be required. Still, the future of Shiba Inu is bright because to the emphasis on possible earnings, which is inspiring both existing and prospective fans and investors. People are still interested in Shiba Inu and have high hopes for the token's future development as the team works toward its lofty objectives. So, what are your thoughts on the matter? Leave a comment in the space provided. Your comment would be much appreciated. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.